Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new tool for private, secure, and fast internet access, ARO VPN, available via the UDP custom website. Whether you're concerned about your online privacy, need access to geo-blocked content, or simply want a reliable VPN that supports multiple protocols, this step-by-step guide is for you. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any details. First, open your browser, Chrome or any other of your choice. In the search bar, type in UDP Custom and press Enter. From the list of search results, tap on the official UDP Custom website. This will take you directly to the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu icon, typically located at the top of the page. Tap it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, select Free VPN to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be directed to a page displaying different VPN options. Find and tap on ARO VPN. This is the tool we'll be working with today. Tap the Install button to begin downloading the application. The process might take a few minutes depending on your connection, so just be patient. After the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch ARO VPN. Once launched, the app may prompt you to allow notifications. You can choose to allow or decline based on your preference. When you arrive at the ARO VPN home screen, ensure you have mobile data or Wi-Fi enabled so the app can update the available server list. The VPN might restart automatically after the update, which is perfectly normal. Just give it a few seconds. Now let's understand how the app works. The interface is divided into two primary sections, one for selecting servers and the other for choosing protocol tweaks. To choose a server, tap on the Server section. A list of global server locations will appear. Select any server of your choice, and remember, you can switch servers anytime. Next, head to the Tweaks section by tapping the corresponding button. ARO VPN offers a wide variety of built-in protocol tweaks. Scroll through the list and select one that best fits your needs. You can always try different ones to find the best performance. You also have the option to use custom settings. Simply assign a name to your tweak, select a protocol type, and input your desired SNI if you're using SSL. Customize it to match your network conditions. Once you've configured the server and protocol, go back to the home screen. You'll see a big Start button. Tap it to connect. In just a few seconds, your VPN connection will be active and ready to use. And that's it! You've now successfully set up ARO VPN via the UDP custom platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and privacy tools. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.